Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Chung Zhaocheng is a sixth-generation Hakka writer who was born and raised in Taiyuan County's Longtan Township. His first full-length novel, The Dull Ice Flower, was published in 1960 and later made into a feature film and a television series, touching audiences from all walks of life. Chung also penned the Turbid Waters trilogy, pioneering the genre of the literary saga in Taiwan.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我是阿斌哥
Leo。Hello, 大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're going to continue to bring popular and well-known Hakka people to you, introduce them to you. And you may have heard of them, maybe you haven't, like me. 其实呢，我们这个月呢，希望能多介绍一些有名的客家人哦。那今天介绍谁呢 ，Leo？
那我就先唱给你听喽。
哦，好，我接招。
天上的星星不说话，地上的娃娃想妈妈，天上的眼睛眨呀眨，妈妈的心呀。
鲁冰花，鲁冰花嘛。
对呀，很多。鲁本法
Okay, this is a very well-known novel that turned into a movie, and I know it turned into a TV series later on too. It's called The Dull Ice Flower. OK, 鲁冰花其实当时呢是一部很有名啊，在我那个年代是很有名的电影。可是据我所知，它原本是一本小说。
对，它是小说，然后小说的作者是客家人。那这个人呢，其实大家应该都听过，叫做总萧真。
总萧真。钟
兆正
有听过
而且你还要给他一个尊称叫做国策顾问
国策顾问对 He had a political position here in Taiwan as well, but he's a very well-known author, and I just found out again he's Hakka. 没想到他也是客家人啊。
对啊，
对，那写了这部小说呢是非常有名 ，This novel very popular, and it turned into a movie and TV series. 所以我们顺便来教教大家怎么说小说、电视跟电影好了。
好，小说叫做孝顺。
Okay, that's a novel. Then there's the movie, 电影。
天样
and then a TV series 电视剧
天思卡
and again this novel or movie or TV series is called 鲁冰花
鲁本法
and his name is 钟兆正
总萧真
another contributor to pop culture here in Taiwan, and he's Hakka. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.